Hello there, my name is Vishal from MyWeb, and in this video we are working on the dashboard page. First of all, if you are not able to find a Sky Dash page, so just simply go to this GitHub page of the official Sky Dash template. So just need to download this files as a zip or simply as a git clone. Okay,
So
so
now
you have both of
let's
the
find
options. So
another
just
ID
go to
tag.
the description and click on this link. I also put, because I put this URL into the description of this video. So I close this. Now I log in. Here is our admin user ID and password. So here is the username, and the password was 12345. Yeah. Never. So now I'm going to the admin dashboard view page. Here is our admin dashboard page because here is logout and admin dashboard. So I remove the heading and anchor tag, and I'm going to the folder of templates. Here is my template folder. I'm going to the template folder and open this index.html file because it's our, as you can see, here is the Sky Dash dashboard page. So I open this index.html file into my code editor and I copy the whole code and I paste it here. Now check in the browser. Yeah. Now we need to set the base URL, I mean the real path of the CSS and the JS. So as well as the previous video, we just need to set the base URL with the assets folder. So php echo base URL. We can also set as like this with the assets. Or like this. Yeah, you can also use this like this. It's also working. Okay, we need to set off all things. So I follow this kind of the base URL because it's a professional way to set up the base URL. So I just copy this and paste at the multiple place. Here is the href. Yeah, paste, and at the end of the file I close this. Yeah, just a minute. Yeah, that's my mistake. Yeah, save, and here now we need to set the table URL to, sorry, I mean JS files URL. So yeah, here is it. Because of our all files of the assets files include the assets folder. So and the script, and yeah, we just close it here of the source. Okay, here is the mistake. I cut this and paste it here. Yeah, that's all. Now check. Okay, data tables error. So we just simply remove the data table source because we don't need it at right now. So here is the data tables, data tables, data tables. If you need, then we'll check into the futures video, latest videos. Okay. Now here is the images. So I'm just find the images. img, yeah, here is question mark and equal to means echo. So this URL assets and here we go. I just copy it. And find another images.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, I think just a minute, I save it and refresh. Okay, here is the notifications area, so we don't need that actually. So just find the notification. Yeah, it is our notification, so I remove this. So we also need to fix the sidebar too and separate with the some header and footer and sidebar too. So let's check. So I make a include folder, so a new file and header dot php. Sorry, I make a new folder which is include, and I move the header.php into the include folder. So as you can see, let me zoom it. Yeah, as a header.php. So I'm just copy the header section of this from here. Let me check once. Okay, here is the end of the nav. Okay, so we just need to find the nav tag. Where is the nav tag? Yeah, here is the nav of the, it's a nav bar, it's a partial nav. And here is the setting panel. Yeah, here is the time theme setting. I just beautify this file. So I just copy this things from here to end of the nav. So I cut it and put into the header, and also beautify this, and I include it. If you want to include it, just simply use the core PHP tag, which is include. Folder name is include and slash header.php. It's also work as well as, see, there is no difference, but there is not a good way because we are working on the CodeIgniter. So I remove this and going to the admin controller, and at the dashboard control method I just simply load this view. So this load view, and I just simply put the admin slash and remove the .php. Yeah, save. Okay, so all is working fine, and here is our separate header code. Now what is our next step? Okay, so it's just our header section. See, as you can see here, setting headers and settings logout. Now we need to also separate this sidebar too. So just check once again in the core. Okay, I think the right sidebar, class settings panel, it's our right sidebar. So we also need this. And okay, I also cut this and make another file into the include folder. So the name is right sidebar.php, and I just load this into this directly into the view. This load view, and into the admin we have include folder, and include folder we just add the right sidebar. Just check it and check. Yeah, your right sidebar is working as always. If I remove this, I just I removed some words and check. As you see, it gives an error. The unable to load this requested file because it's not find this file name. Okay, now our next target to again the left sidebar. So in the include folder we make another file which is sidebar.php. Now again here is our sidebar nav. So here is our nav. I cut it from here and paste in the sidebar.php, and again I just copy it and paste it at here, and just change the name of the right sidebar to sidebar only. Yeah, that's cool. Now I'm going to remove all of them links except these two links, because I want two types of a single and with the drop down. So I'm just going to sidebar. Okay, close this header and yeah. Yeah. Okay, from here to here. Now save and check. Okay, documentation 2. Okay, now our next step is to make a category page and category form page and category view page. Okay, so just set a link of that. So here is the UI element, so I just change the category, post category, and change the link, add new post category, and here is a view all post category. Yeah. Okay, I think we can add category and view category. It's enough, and remove the third one because we don't need a third one, and change the ID. So it's a post category, and also change the href. Okay, now it's working fine. Now we need to make a new page. So I'm going to the admin folder in the view page and in the root. So I click on the admin and click on the new file, and our first step to make a category form. So add underscore category, so it's our post, so add underscore post underscore category dot php. Okay, and I copy a whole thing from the dashboard and I pasted it here, and I'm going to the controller 2, and after the dashboard I just make a comment. I write a comment, and then here is our comment, which is for the post category form. Okay, not check, and I make a public function, add a category, and just copy this header and I remove the ink and change the path, and the other file name is add underscore post and post underscore category. So add underscore post underscore category, and also we need to set the path. So here is the our add underscore category. So yeah, here is the href. So I just write echo base URL, I put the controller name. The controller name is admin controller, slash was the method name. Method name is add category. Okay, now save and check into the browser. Post category, add category. So basically it's our category page, because we can't say this difference because it's just a copy paste of the admin dashboard. So again I'm going back to my admin dashboard page, and I just change the title it here. Add a new category. So it is okay. You also put it is the admin dashboard, and link is also same as well. So just copy the base URL path and paste it here. And dashboard. Yeah. Here is the dashboard, and here is our post category page. And I remove this line. Add 6. I remove the add 6. And what's the next thing? Okay, I remove this. No, actually I'm going to remove all the elements except this. So just yeah, this row 2. Here is the top products. Yeah, just I remove the 4 rows. Yeah, and advanced tables. So here is our advanced tables, and I remove the card body element and just take a card body, a new card body class, and it's a blank, so I just write the blank. So here is our blank. It's a column 12, and I remove the another div tag. Now I'm just I take a form tag. Okay, in the coordinator we can take write the form tag like this: form open, and here is the your base URL. So you just need anything, but I simply just type this and I echo it, and let's check, refresh, and if I open the source code, yeah, so when I open this source code, you can see the form action and all the method post will automatically return just by simple method of the coordinator. So in the and also I just echo the closing tag of the form. So here is our closing tag. Now I give the controller name where our action will be working on it for insert our data into the database. So public function save category. Okay, so it's a save category, and there is the controller name. Here's the controller name, and I say save category. So as you can see, here is the action page, and here is the admin controller, and the save category method also pasted written it here. Okay, Now I take a form group, take a form group class, and take a label for category and the category name, and take input field too. So I just take a method of the coordinator, which is form underscore input, as like our login page. So here is our admin login view, and okay, I think we forget to take that. So there is a form input, and I take an array, and in the array I just write type type is text, the class is form control, and the also what was the class name, and the class name form control lg2. And sorry, it's my bad. Enter category name, and value is I write a set value method, and I give the name. Also I define the name of this, so the name is category underscore title, of course, category underscore title. Yeah, that's it. Now just paste it, sorry, save it and check in the browser. Okay, so here is the our category title name and all things. Now I just copy it, just copy the form group tag, and paste it over here, and I change the title. Okay, sorry, we don't need anything else, so we just need a button. Sorry, so I just add a button, btn, and the btn primary, and save category, and the type is submit. So here is our save category. Here is the save category button, and if you are going to click on the save category page, it's show us a controller name. I just let's equal something, save category. Okay, check, and okay, okay, I get the wrong controller name. So yeah, here is the save category. Yeah, sorry, so as you can see, here is the message print save category. Now Again I check, and now our next target to set the formula addition as like this. So I just copy this, because we need to set the validations for our post category. And what is the name of this of the file? Category title is the category title, so I just get the category title. Category title, and it's required only if it is true. You can also remove this, because if there is nothing to assign, then it's mean it's true. Else, okay, so I just if it's not working fine, so it's returned back to the here. If it's not working, then it's returned back to the view page. Okay, so with the error tag. So, and after this, if it's not working fine, says if it's work, then it's mean it's working fine. And if it's not, sorry, if it's not working, okay, and I'm coming back to my admin add category page, and if it's not working, then it gives an error. So php echo and the form error. I just use the method of the form error, sorry, form error, and the title, category underscore title, the name of the input field. Yeah, check it now. Okay, as you can see, the category title field is required. If it's working, then it's move to the admin save method. Now we need to write the save query. So again, if it's working fine, then this load, we need to load a model. So model name will be post underscore model. Okay, so we need a new post model. So I'm going to the models folder and create a new file into the models folder, and I create a post underscore model dot php. And I take a class extends with ci underscore model, and I take a public function. Public function name is save category, and $data $this, sorry, take a variable, so query equal to $this db insert, and in the insert we just need to take a category, sorry, it's a post category. Here is our table name, it's a post underscore category, and here is our $data parameter, which is passed by into the controller, and I return it. So I return this query, So now I'm coming back to my admin controller, and if I already load this model, then we just need $this post underscore model, and the parameter name is save underscore category, and result $data. So but we don't have any variable as like a $data, so we need to define $data equal to array, and the array we need to define the parameters of the tables. So I'm going back to my the PHP admin and make a new table. So I create a new table name is post underscore category, and category 1 2 3, yeah, 4 is enough. Let's see. Post underscore category, we need a first primary key, and post underscore category underscore title, post underscore category underscore slug, and created at simply created. Okay, now I just put the auto increment. It's a variable, and 255, it's also a variable 255, and it's a timestamps. Now I save it. So we need the post underscore category underscore title, and we have category underscore title post. So $this input post, and here is the name of that input field. Remember one thing, here is the input field name where I mentioned at into the form input tag. Here is the name, and here is the name. The name is category underscore title. And also we write dot slug. Sorry, I just copy the same line and I just slug, and the slug URL, I just write a URL underscore title, comma dash. Yeah, that's it. Maybe it's not true. Just let me check in the official documentation. So I go to the CodeIgniter documentation, and the CodeIgniter 3, I just type URL title. Yeah, URL title, and result, okay, underscore dash true. Okay, so I just simply write dash, comma, and third parameter is comma true. Maybe it's working, so let's check. And I refresh. Okay, gives a error 29. Okay, it is not a semicolon. and we don't need any extra comma. Now refresh. I just write the category name. Category name is latest news and save. Okay, so as you can see, here is the latest news category title, and here is the slug URL of this latest hyphen news. You can see. Now what is doing after the saving the insert? Now in the next video we are working on the post category page, where is show the all the categories and paginate that set the pagination in that category page. So meet you soon in the next video, and stay tuned. Say with me, happy coding.